I'll take the passenger seat. We can drive around to the sky and see meet. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat.
Hey guys, popping in the vlog to interrupt quickly. I am gonna show you guys some of the pieces from Ana Luisa Jewelry, who sponsored this video today. So thank you so much to Ana Luisa. I'm so excited to show you guys these pieces. I have been wearing my Ana Luisa Jewelry non-stop. Like every time they send me something, I wear it for months and months and months. And not too expensive, which I love, but it's really good quality. And like you can see, it like stands up against wear, tear, etc. So such a good gift for Valentine's Day. You can low-key send this to your boyfriend and say, just watch the first 3 minutes, you know what I mean? I think it's such a good gift for Valentine's Day. So if you guys see anything you like, send links around, whatever you want. But I think this would make an amazing gift because it's not breaking at the bank. You're not asking for like a $500 ring or something like that. So the last day to guarantee standard shipping is actually today, but y'all can also do expedited shipping, all of that if you want to get it in time for Valentine's Day. So just keep that in mind. If you're watching this and you're like, oh my gosh, I love those, send them really quickly. And then if they order today, guaranteed standard shipping, which is amazing. Okay, so I've been wearing these pieces a ton. I did just pop back on the tags so you guys can see them, but and there is the necklace. So first off, I picked this necklace because I just feel like I always want more high quality necklaces. Like some of mine are just a little bit cheap and they don't really stand up to wear and tear. And I love that this brand is sustainable. I feel like that just means so much to me. It's super important for me to try my hardest to collaborate with sustainable brands and brands that are helping the environment. Yeah, so they offset 100% of their carbon emissions, which is amazing. It's really important to me to support these companies and work with brands like this to share them with y'all so you can find more sustainable companies. So now this ring I've been wearing every day. Like I just took it off to show y'all, but how beautiful is that? It's like so simple, but it's so perfect for every day. So pretty. It's really good for layering. Then the next thing I got is this little bracelet because I have this rope bracelet from Ana Luisa that I wear in all my videos. I also wear just every day in real life. So I got a thicker one. So it looks like that. I really like the thickness of it. So yeah, I'm really big on stacking all my Ana Luisa pieces. I have bracelets, rings I stack, and you guys can use my code CARSONVD for Valentine's Day and then get, I believe, 15% off your order, which is awesome. So yeah, I'll have all of this linked below. You can click my link below to get 15% off of these products. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the vlogs. I haven't done like a normal weekly vlog in forever, so I'm kind of excited to do this. I have my blue light glasses on right now. I have just been having a chill Friday. I just had a meeting that went a little long, but it was a very productive, nice meeting. I'm supposed to have a few packages come in today, so maybe I could do some hauls for you guys and show you kind of what comes in the mail because I keep getting package notifications from downstairs. Also, I don't know if I've showed you guys like fully my curtains. I need to like open my window. I've had a slow Friday because yesterday morning, okay, I've been trying to wake up earlier. So yesterday morning I woke up and did a spin class and I've just been trying to wake up earlier in general. But then this morning I'm like, you know, I'm gonna not try to wake up at 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. I'm just gonna, you know, wake up the normal time. Woke up the normal time, it's Friday. I haven't washed my hair in a few days, so I just washed it this morning, blow dried it, like, oh, it's the best feeling. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing right now. I think I'm gonna go make some, I already had some avocado toast today. Probably will go just grab a perfect bar out of the fridge. I like don't feel like making anything complex right now. Yeah, I am trying to be healthier for 2021. I would like to start waking up early if I can. I'm working, like doing different workout classes and just like kind of challenging myself more, I guess. So that's kind of on the to-do list for this year. But yeah, I don't know if I've showed you guys these curtains I put in. Well, actually my boyfriend put them in for me, but I planned them. They're so pretty, you guys. They're like a sheer, like they don't do much, I know, but it's just a little extra over the blinds and then I could always add more, but it's just kind of like makes my room look nicer. And I got like these gold, like, what are those called? Curtain rod or whatever. I got gold curtain rods. So yeah, that's kind of the room update. We're actually working on a DIY project. If we start finishing it up Sunday, I will include it in this vlog. I'm just gonna do like a quick weekend vlog and maybe even make it short, like whatever I can throw in here. Don't really have that much planned for this weekend, except for that DIY. I'm gonna like read, relax. I don't know. I kind of just need a chill weekend, but I also kind of wish I had some sort of plans or something to do, but maybe something will come up, I don't know. One of my friends, Morgan, came over last night and we just like ate salads, watched a movie, hung out, whatever. Actually, we were gonna watch a movie and then we just like ended up not just having, we had random TV on, but I hung out with her yesterday. So I might go meet my sister at a coffee shop later, TBD. But yeah, this is the morning. My room has a little cleaning up to do, nothing drastic, thankfully. Yeah, I do have a couple hauls I need to do and stuff like that and packages I need to get. So this will be an interesting vlog. We'll see where it goes, folks. Anyway, that's what's going on. That's the update. Let's go get a snack. You guys, this yogurt is the best thing I've ever tried. I just did a half a perfect bar because that's kind of all I needed, but this yogurt is the best. Everyone needs to go get it ASAP. Okay, so I got a big Princess Polly order in last night and I'm about to do a try on haul for my Instagram stories, but I'm just gonna like set you guys up so you can see everything as I'm trying it on, because there's so many cute things. So I'm gonna do my little chit chat Instagram story with this, then y'all can see, you know what I mean? It's kind of like a 2-in-1. So yeah, I can't wait to show you guys. This stuff is so cute. Okay, the first look, you guys, is this little dress. How cute is this? It's like little pockets, it's got little fluttery sleeves, it kind of goes down. Let me lower y'all so you can see a little bit better. Yeah, there, you can see a little better. So cute. I'm in love with this one. Obsessed. Next up we have this trench coat, which is my Pinterest dreams in a coat. Like, it's a long black trench, okay? Little fuzzy sleeves. Looks really cute over a dress. I mean, you could literally wear this with jeans and a tank. Like, I feel like there's a bunch of different ways you could wear this. Turtleneck, you know, something like that. But how cute. It's got buttons right here, so you could look at how posh. Like, I feel like I'm in London. I love this a lot, honestly. It's really cute, and it comes in a little bit, so it's super flattering. And again, I just love the sleeves. They're so fun. How cute. Guys, I'm literally obsessed with this trench coat. It's so cool. Like, I really feel like I'm in London or something. Like, fighting crime, you know what I mean? Like, having tea. Like, it's just posh. Look at that. Really, really cute. Guys, next, I love this outfit so much. It's this little like graphic tee with angels on it. Then these jeans are so fun. I'm gonna put in like the clip of me doing the try on haul just so you guys can see like the full effect or whatever. But how cute are these? I originally thought these were bleached. They're actually painted white. So, I kind of wish they were bleached because paint is like makes it kind of rough, but it is a really, really cool look. And I probably will wear these a lot because I have so many like basic jeans, but nothing like super fun. So I love these. And the t-shirt is like thick. You can't see anything through it, which I really appreciate. So I love this little tee. I got a medium. I probably would do a small. Like, I don't know why I sized up just in case. But yeah, I would do a small if you're gonna do the tee. So cute though, such a good little basic. This is so different from me and so retro, but I think it's good to have these in my closet. You know what I mean? Like, just to have. This one's very like PFG, like pink feed goals. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but really cute. Guys, this one's a little tight. This one I would have sized up in for sure. Like, this was hard to get on, you know, with like deodorant, makeup, like all of that. This was kind of a struggle, but pants are really cute. And you can wear them separately, which I like too, but this one was funny. I was like, oh my gosh, this is a bit tight. That was the most talking I've done in a while. I haven't done a haul in a while, so I feel like I was a little out of practice. I had to keep redoing things, and that was just exhausting. But like, I'm like in my nice dramatic coat, fur, and the set, and I'm just living life. So now I'm gonna clean up my room because it's now an explosion after that. which it always is. That's what I'm gonna do. I don't even know what time it is. I think it's almost 5. I was gonna meet my sister at a coffee shop, but then I'm like, it's taking me forever to do this, so I don't wanna make her wait. And it's 5 p.m, so why would I go get coffee right now? I don't know, it's been an interesting week, you guys. Like, sometimes I'm just like a little exhausted, and this week was a little bit much for me, so I think I need some zen time. I can't decide if I wanna like go have a nice fun time with my roommates or if I want to sit here and do nothing. That's what I'm trying to decide right now. But yeah, well, I'll show you what I have for dinner. It's probably very not exciting. Hi guys, good morning. I am actually in a bit of a rush because I think Austin's gonna be here any second. He's picking me up and we're going to the farmer's market, which is exciting. We actually have never been. I've actually never been to the Charlotte farmer's market, so we're super excited. We have no idea what to expect, if it's more like food stands or like literal farms, like with eggs and vegetables and all of that. So we don't really know what to expect, but if it is more like groceries, I guess we will get stuff to make for dinner later tonight or to make for breakfast. But yeah, that's kind of what we're doing right now. I wasn't sure what I wanted to wear, but I ended up just doing this cute pink sweater and then these Zara jeans. So kind of like simple. It's kind of a gloomy day outside, so I wanted to do like a little bright color. I thought that was kind of cute. But anyway, that is what I'm wearing today. I am like just waiting for him to text me so I can run down to his car. We honestly technically could walk, but it's like 30 degrees today, and so we didn't feel like messing with the cold weather. So I am just gonna like finish putting on all my jewelry and then get ready to go. I think I'm just gonna do a bunch of jewelry because I don't like, this outfit's a little bit plain. I don't know if I want to do this one today. Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay, and then I don't know what I'm doing with my hair. Like if I want to clip it up or what, because it's looking a little scary right now. I'll talk about this more in depth in another vlog, but I have been intermittent fasting the past 8 days actually. So it's like 10:45 and I haven't eaten anything yet today, which means I haven't had my coffee yet today. I really am needing that. I am a little out of it, but that is, oh, he's calling me. Maybe do this hat to make it more casual. Nah. Nah. Okay, our elevator has been broken for so long and I'm on like most of the top floor, so taking the stairs quite a bit. Yes, please.
All right. 12. Maybe let's do 2 of these. What are the best apples? Probably these Crimson Grip.
Gold Rush? Do you like green though?
Are these the sweetest?
What's up guys, good morning. It's Sunday morning. We went to the gym, or we're about to go to the gym, and I didn't vlog that much yesterday, but we went to that little farmer's market and then we went to this little like tavern for dinner. Like, I don't know, we kind of just did random things yesterday, but this morning we woke up, made smoothies. I'm working on like this kale salad, so I just prepped the kale salad for lunch, and then Austin already went down to the gym, so I'm gonna go down in like 2 minutes. But yeah, we're just doing a quick little workout and then we're gonna go back up to my house and finish the DIY we're working on, which is gonna be very interesting. But yeah, we're just going to the gym. I have this little tank on from Lulu. I've actually had this like forever. It's like this little sheer tank. Guys, this is literally from Walmart. I needed some more sports bras, so I got this little cute cheetah one from Walmart. Zaffle, and then these are Aloe Yoga leggings. So yeah, I'm gonna go down right now, do a little cardio, you know, do some abs, just kind of take it easy, but still have a good workout today, so I'm kind of excited. so we just got back from the gym. We are going to look at an apartment for Austin and then go to Whole Foods Hot Bar. That's the lunch plan today. But I literally just got out of the shower, so my hair is still soaking wet, but I don't really have time to dry it, so I'm just gonna let it air dry today. But yep, that's the plan. Nice and clean, nice little productive, healthy Sunday. Oh my gosh, I have like I had a hair on my face from my makeup brush.
So this was our first attempt, and this is what Austin did. Oh my gosh, this is so bad. So we made this last Sunday, and we're trying again, and this is what we're doing this Sunday. This is me and Austin together, and Austin alone. Anyways, we're down to Murphy. Murphy, you wanna say hi?
Carson, just feel this wood though, Carson.
I know.
We got there.
We have to measure these to fit that.
It's not his fault that I messed up.
That we're back at Lowe's again
Yeah, it's not his fault that I messed up.
to get more wood. Okay, so Morgan and I just went to a little sauna, then we got clean juice and went for like a nice walk down this kind of little like back, what's the word? Like a back path, parkway thing. And then I got a little matcha at Starbucks, and now I'm gonna go home. And I actually have today off of work because it's a holiday, so I'm going to get ready and go take some pictures for Princess Polly. I kind of have the day to like chill, do my own thing. It's kind of the update. It's Monday. And yeah, it's a nice, healthy, centered morning, which I love. Thanks again to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to check out Ana Luisa Jewelry, the sponsor of this video. I love all of their pieces, and you can use Carson VD for 15% off your order. So make sure to check that out below. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.